Today we are going to draw a hospital with the help of pencil, eraser and our colors. We are going to draw our hospital with the shapes. Please take your pencil. We are going to start. One straight line, one slipping line, one standing line, one slipping line. This is our rectangle. One standing line, one slipping line, one standing line. This is a hospital door and its handle. It's here plus a sign of hospital. One window upside, one window downside, one more window side by side, one more window side by side. Here our hospital is ready with the help of lines and shapes. Here my road, here my another road. Now I am going to make it small ambulance nearby my hospital. First of all, I will be making tire, 2 tires. Here is my 2 tire. One slipping line to connect the body of the ambulance. One straight line, one slanting line, one slipping line and one straight line. This is our ambulance van. Now here is a mirror. Here is our window of door and a window of ambulance. Here is our plus sign. That is our ambulance. Now I am going to show this as a road where ambulance is standing by. This is my road. Again, this is my back wall of the hospital. Now few bushes at the back wall. Same thing on the opposite side. One more slipping line as a wall. One more slipping line as a wall. One more slipping line there. This is a walking path. This is a center path. Now I want to show this as a walking path, so I am going to make it one slipping line there and few lines at the center for showing the floor. This is our floor. Now this is again a walking path and a garden. Again walking path and the garden. This is our hospital done. Now we are going to start our color. Take your color kits. First of all, take it sky blue color in sky. Do it carefully so color cannot get outside. Very slowly. Do not go in hospital, please. Do it slowly. Here my sky is done. If you want to do some shades, you can take a dark blue color and you can do some shades on that. I am showing dark to light tone. Now I am going towards my way, which I found it at light brown color. Fill it slowly. Color cannot get outside. Again same here. Again same here. This is our walking path around the garden. Again this is a road which is going to main gate. Now I'm going to take it light green color for showing the garden. Do it lightly. If you want to show the shades, you can mix up with yellow color. Now I'm going to take it yellow color to mix inside. Here our yellow color is there. Even in bushes, yellow color. Same thing here. And a red color in our plus. An ambulance is mostly seen in a white color, so I am not going to do a white color inside, and I am keeping it as it is. Same thing here. In a plus, this is our hospital. If you want to show some grills in the door, you can show grills by making standing lines inside. If you want to show a glass inside, you can show the glass. Here our hospital is ready. If you want to make it a colorful wall, you can make it with a light green. You can make it with a take it orange color. I'm going to make it orange color wall. Same thing here, orange color wall. And hospital, I am going to keep it as a white. And my tire with a black color. Slowly. Same thing here. Tire as a black color. Few shading in a glass. Sky blue color. So we can specify this as a glass. Here our hospital is ready. Thank you.